Good morning, class. Today I'm going to start with a new exercise that is based on probability. So in this, the first type of questions that come in this part are for dice. In a dice that the dice with which we play Ludo or Snake and Ladder. So in that there are 6 cases. In a dice, when you throw a die, you can get a 1 or a 2 or a 3 or a 4 or a 5 or a 6. These are the cases that you can get when you throw a die. Okay, so this here number of cases are 6. Means when you throw a die, you will always get a outcome from these 6 cases only. So these 6 cases are called the events. Okay, so here if I tell you about event are, it is the collection of total outcomes. It is the collection of total outcomes. So in the case of a die, so total outcomes here are 6. Okay, and second type of case is for one coin. When you toss one coin, either you can get a head or you can get a tail. So here these two are the events. So number of outcomes in tossing a one coin are 2. Okay, so what next? Third case is for 2 coins. If you toss 2 coins, okay, one after the another, so if you get a head in first coin, you can get a tail in second coin. 2 coins, head in first and tail in second, or head in first and head in second as well, or tail in first and tail in second as well, or tail in first, head in second. So these are the total outcomes. These are the events that can occur when you toss 2 coins. These are the events that can occur when you toss 2 coins. Okay, head tail, head head, tail tail, tail head. Okay, so here total number of events oblique outcomes are 4. Okay, and last is the case of 52 cards. It's the case of pack of cards. So there are total 52 cards, of which 26 cards are black and 26 cards are red. Of these 26, 13 spades and 13 club. Okay, and of these 26, 13 heart and 13 diamond. Okay, so of these 13, the cards are, first card is king, queen, jack, these three are the face cards, and king, queen, jack are here as well. Okay, king, queen and jack. Then there comes a ace and a ace. This ace stands for 1. Okay, this stands for 1. Then 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. Then 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. Then 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10. These are the total number of cards here. Means king, queen, jack, ace and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In black spade, then black club, king, queen, jack, ace and then 10 more. Then king, queen, jack, then 10 more. Then king, queen, jack, then 10 more. Red, it is red heart and this is red diamond. Okay. So until now I have told you what were the cases that can occur. So now I will talk of probability. So probability of a event E can be written as number of favorable outcomes, the outcomes that can come according to the condition given in the question. Favorable outcomes to E. E means a condition upon the total number of outcomes. Total outcomes that can occur. Okay. So starting with the question here, our first question says that. So this is our first question that says that the die is rolled once. Okay, a die is rolled once. So events in a die, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to write in every question whatever the events may occur. Find the probability of getting an even number. So our first part is an even number. So total number of events are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 cases can occur totally. So even number. We have to get a, if we throw a die, we have to get an even number. What are the cases that even number can come? If it comes 2, then also it is an even number. If 4 or 6, in all these 3 cases it will be an even number. So total favorable cases means if we get these 3 numbers, then we call it a favorable case because we want an even number. So what are the favorable cases? 3 are the favorable cases. Means or 2, 4 or 6, if we get these 3 out of any, if we get this out of any throw, so this is a favorable case. So there are 3 cases. So probability of even number, it is favorable upon total cases. What are the favorable cases? Favorable cases are 3, total cases are 6. So it is 1 upon 2 is the answer. Then second part here is a multiple of 3. So this is our next question that says that three coins are tossed together. What is the probability of getting at least two heads? So what are the cases? Events in this case are, I have told you back about the two coins and one coin. So here there are three coins. For three coins, what you will do? This is just very easy step. Just take head 4 times. Wait. Then 4 times tail. Okay. Then 2 times head, 2 times tail, 2 times head, 2 times tail, then head, tail, then alternate. So these are the events: head, 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 tail, head, tail, head, head, tail, 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 head, head, tail, head, tail, 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 head, tail, tail, tail. So these are the events then when three coins are tossed together. Means in first coin if you get a head, then second coin also you can get a head, and third coin also you can get a head. So these are the cases. These are the total. So total events here are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And total events are 8. A part says that at least two heads. Means we need minimum of two heads. In which case there are minimum two heads. Two or more can work. At least two means कम से कम दो, दो या दो से ज़्यादा चलेगा. कम से कम दो means minimum of two. 2, 3, 4 means 2 will work, 3 will work. So what are the cases in which there are 2 heads or 3 heads? 1, 2 means head, 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 or a head, head, tail, or this head, tail, head. 2 heads, na? Right? This tail, head, head. No other case in which there are at least 2 or more than 2 heads. So these are the 4 cases. So favorable are 4. Probability at least 2 heads. Again favorable. Upon total. Here favorable are 4, total are 8. So 1 upon 2 is the answer. Then B part says that at least one tail. We need at least one tail. Okay. Means कम से कम एक टेल, एक से ज़्यादा टेल चलेगा. कम लेस मतलब कम से कम एक टेल. एटलीस्ट वन कम से कम एक है, उससे ज़्यादा होगा तो भी चलेगा. मीन्स इफ यू हैव एटलीस्ट 10 रुपीज़ मीन्स यू कैन हैव 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 lakh any rupee, but minimum of 10 rupee. Okay, means here minimum should be one tail. More than one will work. In what cases there are one or more than one tails? So there is a head, head, tail. In this there is one tail. Then head, tail, head. There is also one tail. Then head, tail, tail. There are two tails, but less means at least one tail. There is at least one tail present here. Then tail, head, head. Tail, head, tail. Tail, tail, head. Or tail, tail, tail. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are favorable cases are 7. Seven cases. Again probability of at least one tail. It is favorable upon total. Favorables are 7, total are 8. So 7 by 8 is the answer. Then C part says here is at most one tail. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक टेल, उससे ज़्यादा टेल नहीं चलेगा, बिना टेल का भी चलेगा, बट अगर हो टेल अगर है तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक, पर एक से ज़्यादा टेल नहीं होनी चाहिए. जीरो टेल की विल ऑल्सो वर्क. सो ज़्यादा ज़्यादा एक टेल. सो देर इज नो टेल, सो दिस विल वर्क. एक से ज़्यादा ना हो, उससे कम जितना भी हो चलेगा, जीरो भी हो तो भी चलेगा. सो हेड हेड हेड, हेड हेड टेल, एक टेल है इसमें. हेड टेल हेड, then head tail tail. There are two cases, not at most one. So again we can have maximum of one tail, this tail headed. So there are four cases favorable. On all these three cases you will see maximum of one tail, not more than one tail. Then probability of at most one tail, it is favorable upon total. Here favorable are 4, total are 8, so 1/2 is the answer. This is our next question. Here we have taken a word triangle. So what is the probability that it is a vowel? We have to choose a word from this word triangle. So how many favorable, how many total cases? What are the total cases that we can get? We can get a T or a R or a I or a A or a G or a L or a E or a N as well. N is missing. Triangle. Okay? Means, and remember, no word will be repeated. If a word is being repeated in a set, then you will not take that word two times, you will take a word only a single time. Okay, you have to find what is the probability of getting a vowel. So what are vowels out of it? Vowels are I, A, E. Total cases are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Favorable are, as we want a vowel, so these are the favorable ones. 3 cases. Okay. Now probability of getting a vowel. It is favorable cases upon total. Favorable are 3, total are 8. So 3 upon 8 is the answer. So this is our next question that says that in a box there are 17 cards numbered from 1, 2, 3 up to 17. Means, so events that can occur are 1 or a 2 or a 3 or a 4 or a 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and the 17. Okay, so total events, there are 17 events that can occur. So a card is drawn at random, a card is taken out, find a probability that number is a odd. We have to take a card out and we have to see whether it is odd or not. So for first case, so what are the odd cases? It can be 1 or a 3, 5. Out of these, what are odd numbers? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 are the odd cases. Favorable are 9. So probability of getting an odd number on a card is favorable upon total. Favorable are 9, total are 17. So 9 upon 17 is the answer. Then second part says is even. What are the cases that it is an even number? If we got a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay, these are the cases that it is a even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are the. So here favorable are 8 cases. So probability of getting a even, it is favorable upon total. Favorable are 8, total are 17. So 8 upon 17 is the answer. Okay. Then third part says is a prime number. Prime means that is divisible by itself and 1 only. No other number can divide that number. So what are the prime numbers in it? 2 is divisible by 1 and by itself. So 2. Then 3. Then 5. Then 6 is divisible by 2 and 3. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so here favorable are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cases are favorable. So probability of getting a prime, it is favorable upon total. Favorable are 7, total are 17. So 7 upon 17 is the answer. So then fourth part says is divisible by 3. Okay, what are numbers that are divisible by 3? 1, by 3. Look, 3 is divisible by 3, then 6, then 9, then 12, then 15. These are the numbers that are divisible by 3. Means 1, 2, this 9, this 12 and a 15. So here favorable cases are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Again probability of divisible by 3. It is favorable upon total. Favorable are 5, total are 17. 5 upon 17 is the answer. Okay. And next part says that divisible by 2 and 3 both.